want to fucking die. Hi guys, once again, this video is probably going up before the last video I filmed, but I can't find my microphone for my camera, so like, if the audio is like shitty, like, so today is actually my first day of school. No, I'm not going into second grade actually, I'm going into my sophomore year. I know, shocking. But yeah, today I'm just gonna get ready with you. Pretty much, first day of school, I try to look nice and then it just like goes like downhill from there after each day, so yeah. I'm so tired. I don't really spend much time on my hair. I did self-tan yesterday, even though it probably doesn't look like it because I'm already just so pale that this just looks like normal to people. But yeah, I was trying to trick people into thinking I went to the Bahamas, but like clearly that didn't work, so yay! Okay, so I'm gonna start off by just doing my eyebrows, but that like takes a long time, so I'm gonna do that off camera because I don't know how much memory I have. So yeah. Okay, so I just did my eyebrows. They look alright. And then I just like put concealer on my lids and like set it. So I want to do like something warm toned because I have green eyes and I like how warm eyeshadow looks on me. Me being a YouTuber, I want to do some extra makeup for the first day of school. So I think I'm going to try and do like a half cut crease with glitter. It's currently 6:20. I have to leave at like in like an hour, so I meant to wake up. School starts at 7:45 to me. I meant to wake up at like 5:30 and I woke up at 6, so yeah. We'll see how this goes. I'm just gonna go into my soft glam palette. I'm gonna take the shade Orange Soda. It's like a transition shade. I feel like I should zoom you in. So I feel like everyone already started school. I feel like here, I live in Michigan, so I feel like here just everyone just starts the day after Labor Day. I'm kind of nervous just because I really don't know a lot of people in my classes. Yeah, I'm sure once I get in there though, I'll be like, oh my god, like I need friends, like I'm gonna attach onto you. I'm gonna take the shade Burnt Orange. That, yeah it is, okay, cool. I'm just gonna put that in my crease with a smaller brush. I'm a beauty girl. And then I'm gonna take the shade Sienna. Oh, there's a glare. Ew. And I'm just gonna put that on my like outer feet. Okay, so my camera just like died pretty much. Not really. It ran out of memory and then I couldn't memory card and I went around to switch to battery. Meanwhile the battery was fully charged and now it's like pretty much I put the shade Mulberry in my outer V. I'm just kinda going for it. And I'm gonna take more Orange Soda and just blend that out. I don't know, I'm not the biggest fan of school. I have really bad anxiety at school. Really triggers depression and things, so yeah. That looks awful. Maybe if I add glitter it'll look better, so yeah. So pretty much what I do for my cut creases, because I'm untalented and I like to think I'm good at makeup, but I'm really not. That's just the teases. And I put some concealer and then I look up and that's how I know like, well I look down and that's how I know like where it is, and then I make it a little higher than that way like people can see it. I'm using the Jaclyn Hill palette just for the mirror, but I'm gonna go along with the shade Proof. This is the Dark Magic palette. I'm gonna like set that. I'm just gonna go in with a small brush and just like try and blend a little. Oh, what glitter should I use? Kitten Karma. This is just Feel It glitter. Honestly, I'm not really excited about Sorcery. Yeah. That's all I have to say. This eye definitely looks better than that eye, but like, it's okay, we'll figure it out. You know what, I think that's like as good as it's gonna get. For eyeliner, I'm debating on making a wing. you know, gotta cut all the at school. But I'm gonna use probably mainly in the lines a little for like the line on my eyes, and then I have the Kat Von D tattoo liner for like my main. Or I'll just use that for this. I don't know, we'll see. Yeah, this is not gonna be in frame, so like honestly might not make a wing. Like that looks decent, so. Okay, so in the process of trying to make my eyeliner even, I made it decently thick, so like that's fun, but like I'm just gonna put false lashes on, so like doesn't even matter. I didn't do a wing, so yeah. So I'm gonna go apply top mascara. I'm gonna do this off camera because it's not gonna go well at first. I just know it. And then we use Lily Lashes Miami. James Charles made me buy it. This Sephora lady told me that they were worth it, so yeah. And then I just have duo eyelash glue. So yeah, I feel like I need to do something beauty guru, like just like this eyelash. And I'm just gonna try and fix it later because it's been like 15 minutes. I'm gonna take the Tatcha Silk Canvas and just prime my face with that. So I'm gonna do a trick I used to do. I learned it from old school James Charles. It's basically where you take pot concealer and you just like pack it on your nose, because my nose, like the pores on it are awful, and the blackheads on it are awful, and yeah. Use my finger. Then for foundation, I'm gonna use the YSL Glamorous foundation.
Yeah, I gotta be bougie on the first day of school.
Okay, then we're going to Tarte Shape Tape again and just highlight my face with that and conceal, because I'm a glam goddess today. I don't know. Sorry if I'm talking while my mom's like being noisy. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier powder, and I'm just gonna bake my face. Okay, so now I'm gonna go try and fix my eyelashes while this bakes. So yeah, I don't know why the lighting changed. I think it's because I'm wearing a white shirt, but I changed it to my shirt because we're running out of time. I need to like finish my makeup in 10 minutes. So I'm going Shade and Light and contour my nose. Am I gonna contour the rest of my face? Or maybe I will. I don't know. Then I'm gonna take Hourglass bronzer and bronze my face with that. Where's the bronzing brush? Got it.
You love being made on the first day of school. Right, sisters?
It's not look good. Okay. No, whatever. Like, we're gonna do okay. Okay, then I'm gonna take Becca Wild Honey Blush. Oh. And then for highlight, I'm just gonna spray my face, but I'm gonna use Butterscotch from the Glow Kit Sugar, so yeah. Was that too close for comfort? I'm sorry. And then I'm gonna take burnt orange and just put that under my eye. Then I'm gonna do a lower lash mascara and like go do my hair and stuff. But for lips, I'm just gonna put on Honey Love by MAC. Hey, that's pretty much it for the makeup. So yeah, I'm gonna go like put my hair up half down and like do my lower mascara and like change and stuff. So yeah.
So I'm a bad YouTuber and didn't get any footage of my outfit. So here are some really cute little mirror pics. My top is from Charlotte Russe. My skirt is from Target. And you're probably like, Rachel, like, how did you wear that to school? My school literally does not have a dress code. Like, they don't care. Like, I've seen girls wear like sports bras around my school. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe.